What's up, YouTube gang? It's your girl, Marie TV, and I'm back with another video. Hey, a video. Hey. Anyway, so today's video is going to be just another quick Goli. It's another Goli video. So these are the new Goli gummies. I am a brand ambassador for Goli, so I just get like 10% of whatever the purchase price may be. But I did buy these with my own money. They were $19, and I used my code Antoinette Marie TV, and I saved a little money. But this is the orange Goli gummies. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about them. So these are the SUPERFRUIT gummies, and I just have my phone right here so I can read a little bit about the gummies to you, just in case you want to know a little bit about them before you purchase them. So these are the SUPERFRUIT gummies, and they promote beauty, wellness, and nutrition. They are plant-based, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and also gelatin-free. As we all know, Goli is made in California. They are a clean, plant-based beauty and wellness gummy. Now, for the benefits of the SUPERFRUIT gummies, it's supposed to improve collagen formation, improve your skin health and appearance, support skin structure and elasticity, helps restore radiance, supports your immune system, provides essential nutrients, powerful antioxidants, and enhances youthful skin. Okay, we gonna see. And you know I ain't gonna lie. I don't care if I'm an ambassador for them. If this product don't work, your girl gonna let you know. Okay. Anyway, so each serving of these gummies have each serving of the SUPERFRUIT gummies have more than 14 pink grapefruit, 6.5 kiwis, 11 pomegranates, and 4.8 avocados. So the ingredients that are in these gummies are bamboo shoot extract, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and something called pectin. Now it is the SUPERFRUITs that are in the gummies. I feel like I'm reading this off of a infomercial. But you know what. Anyway, so they are a whole bunch of different kind of berries. Oh, I like goji berries. There are goji berries in here. Each gummy has 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of sugar, 250 mcgs of vitamin A, 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 2.7 milligrams of some zinc, sodium is 7.5, and then it has all of the organic fruit blends, which is the acai berry or acai berry, the goji berry, pomegranate berry, banana, apple, and strawberry. Now, that's enough reading. So I'm gonna go for an initial on camera taste test. So I just received the Golis in this box right here. I only purchased the 1 month supply because I never purchased more than 1 month, because what if I don't like it? I'm stuck with a whole bunch of stuff I can't do that with. So like I said, this is the box. I just got one bottle. It's like everything else. Yep, same as all the other gummies. 2 gummies twice daily. So this is the bottle. This is a pretty color too, and I'm so happy that Goli is actually going through. Sorry, my phone was ringing. I'm actually happy that Goli is going through and getting different products other than the apple cider vinegar gummies. Okay, now everybody already know, if your internal piece is missing, do not eat those, because they're not supposed to be. Okay. Now these are mixed fruit. This is what they look like inside. Initial smell, it smells like the initial smell smells like the apple cider vinegar gummies and the ashwagandha gummies. So they kind of got the same smell to them. It says take 2. So I guess Goli decided they're going to go with the same formation. No color change. No, same things. There is a different taste to them. But again, it just still tastes like fruit gummies. The taste is not bad. I don't know if I'm way off by saying this, but to me it tastes like a fruit snack, of course. But the taste is not bad. You can tell it's a mixed fruit. This is the product. If you want to save a little coin when buying this, the ashwagandha gummies, or either the apple cider vinegar gummies, I'm going to leave my little code right here on the screen, so you can save 10% on your next order. And as always, if you are not subscriber to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, come and be part of the Liger gang. And if this is your first time coming, go ahead and check out one of my videos, check out another one of my videos, and if you like it, come and join the fam, because we would already love to have you. And if you are one of my A1 Day ones, drop a heart in the bottom. What up, yo? Anyway, so let me quit talking, but go ahead and pick these up. I'm going to wait and do a 2-week of review, and I'm going to tell you if some of these things with the skin is a go, because as you all know, I have been trying to get my skin together, and it's trying to push through, but I can tell I got a lot more work to do. So I will be, oh my God, guys, I will be doing a video because your girl hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey, what? So I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber video. So stay tuned. That'll be my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, peace.